Heavy military checkpoint in BiafraLand, all eastern region is becoming unbearable for the people. The checkpoint is every 50 meters in every road in Southeast, in Enugu, in Abia State, in Anambra, in Imo State, in Ebonyi State. This is the present condition in Southeast. Imo State youth being forcefully dragged into criminal gang in other way to join IPOB Eastern Security Network. Hello my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Do not forget to give us a follow and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we will upload, you will be the first person to get the notification immediately. Very, very important. Because we are dropping it as it is hot. That's what they bring and they give you. So we are going to look into the Wenge news we will get for hand today. We'll see what they happen for the countryside. No be smart, you know. We'll get to read today. The humiliation in Southeast is becoming unbearable. The way the military are being marked, police and military are being marking their checkpoint every corner of the road and ordering passengers to walk with foot when they get to their checkpoint. This is unbearable. The humiliation to Biafra people is becoming unbearable. So we are going to play you the video for you to watch and hear what this our sister is saying about this checkpoint. And this checkpoint in Southeast is every corner. Once you get there, they'll ask you to come down and let your passengers come down and walk through with your foot. This is unbearable. And this is happening only in Southeast. It's not happening in other states. So we are going to play the video for you to watch, and we'll come back and analyze it more better.
Between Enugu and Port Harcourt, it's a nightmare, and it doesn't exist in any other part of Nigeria. And the worst end is this Enugu end, where at every stop you have to get down and walk by foot while the driver drives across. It's extremely humiliating. It's useless. They don't even inspect the vehicles. All they're interested in is getting you down to walk across. It's business. Is that what we call Operation Udoka? I don't know. Whatever it is, Operation Udoka is in the whole Southeast. It's only Enugu's Udoka that is making people walk on foot. And it's horrible. Whoever is in charge at 82 Division should hear this. There's no basis for it. And I think that it is not achieving anything. I was in Port Harcourt recently and I cried. In Port Harcourt, police are all over the streets, parked by the roadsides, patrolling the roads and along the roads. You don't see checkpoints. It's safe. And yet they're not stopping people. So it's not achieving anything for us. We are not making the Southeast safer by putting checkpoints in every 50 meters or making people walk. Whatever it is, they need to have a rethink. It's not working. And instead what it is doing is driving people away from Enugu. People don't fix events anymore in Enugu. Conferences have all fled from Enugu. At first it was only public vehicles. 2 or 3 times I've been on that express. They've had me reverse and ask my children to stop them down and walk across. That's including private vehicles now have to do that. It's horrible. I hope the governor hears this.
Did they tell you the reason why?
No, they didn't. Everybody from my car alighted. I'm from Abia State, I'm from Umunochi local government. We're the hardest in this country as far as kidnapping is concerned. Yes, there are military stops, military checks everywhere littered around my local government. Yes, the kidnapping is on a weekly basis.
I mean, it's something we're going to definitely
something at the root of it. The checkpoints are not an antidote.
If it's not working, then this is something that the government has to look into. But
unless the checkpoints are for some other reason, which they will have to explain to us, please.
Welcome back. As I've watched that video and hear everything this our sister said. You see, this is happening in Southeast. I remember some years ago when I visited the country called Nigeria. So I noticed something. When I'm coming from other states, I never saw this kind of heavy checkpoint here and there, all over the places. But even in, I don't know, these people, you know, the worst thing is that they travel, but they only go there, blindfolded their eyes, take the money they steal from people, and go and save it in the bank in outside country. Where they are going, they blindfolded their eyes and take money they steal from people and go and put it in outside country. They don't look around and see if there is any checkpoint or if there is any police heavy presence in any corner. Unless there is emergency, they will call them, they will come and resolve the issue and go their way. Even though there is a insurgency, there is a bandit, there is this, there is that, you know where they are, you track them, you get them, you deal with them. Stop humiliating our people in the name of your mounting security. Sometimes they will extort you on the road and take everything, empty your account in name of checkpoint. This humiliation in Southeast have to stop. The people in charge have to do something before the people began to unleash their madness to the government. But this is the point the government failed. When the people bear something to the point where they rise up and say, no, we don't agree again, the government, you have no say, you can't stop that. It's become a revolution. And I'm seeing it coming to Southeast. So the governors should immediately order these checkpoints to leave immediately. They know where the criminals are and let them go there and look for them. They know who are the people who are kidnapping people, taking them to the bush. You know them very well. So the police know them. Let them go and catch them and leave the innocent people who are coming from work, some are coming from travel alone, asking them to come down and walk past their checkpoint and enter the car. Okay, my people, now so we stand today. What do you think for this matter? May you contribute put. I want everybody to comment, leave, let checkpoint leave. Leave, remove checkpoint. Just comment, remove checkpoint, remove checkpoint. Everybody start commenting remove checkpoint in this particular video. Okay, my people, let's go and look into the next Obonge news we will get for hand today. We're going to break them down one after the other. Stay tuned as they bring up, they come. Imo State youth being forcefully initiated into criminal gang. They are not working for ESN, IPOB 1. My people, things are happening. So there's a video that popped up last time ago that a kind of a group of people swelling in the name of, I don't know, I tried to hear what they are saying. So we, like I said in this channel, we don't update nonsense, we update the facts. So according to what they are saying that happened in that video, that these people are being taking oath in the name of fighting for ESN and the Biafra Liberation Army. But in this case, China Saworu have come aside with this particular, no, this is in my power, have come aside and said that this is not, they are not working for ESN and IPOB. So IPOB have won concerning this matter. So we are going to look into it and read that more detail of what they say about this particular article. IPOB on Wednesday, on a statement by its media and publicity secretary, Ima Powerful, said that the membership of its armed wing, the Eastern Security Network, ESN, is voluntarily and not by force. The indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has dissociated himself from criminal gang terrorizing community in Imo State and allegedly forcing youth in Okigwe area of Imo State. My people, things are really happening. So this is the reason why we are saying that our people are lacking information. I want to say something about Simon Ekpa in this particular side. The PM Simon Ekpa has made a statement that was last week. He made this statement and he also posted it here as well. He said that that some people recruiting people in the name of Biafra Liberation Army and ESN that is not recruiting anybody. Now, that if there is any recruitment, is going to do it or publish it, that everybody will see it. So in this case, there is no doubt that saying maybe Simon Ekwa, maybe Autopilot knows about this particular site, because they make it open for their own side that they don't know anything concerning this this recruitment that they are talking about here, that's going on in Southeast today. So I believe that the youth should be very, very careful of who you follow and where you get your information. I know that so many people want to fight for Biafra. So many people are willing to fight for Biafra today. But in that case, do not get yourself in a wrong path. Your enemy can recruit you as an army and eliminate you. Because you know that if you didn't do that, it must be an obstacle when they invade your land. So be careful so that you will not be a victim of had I know, or oh, I'm thinking that I'm fighting for my freedom, but end of the day I end up in a wrong hand. So guys, now so we see today. I will say more bring and come give you now. Remember that in this channel we say things the way it is and with no regardless of fear of anyone. So my people, I want you to be very careful of what you do and where you go. Okay, we will go ahead, go play this video and may you see what it is our brother tell our people waiting for UK what they need to do in order us to get our Nnamdi Kanu, which our leader being released, and he says something that is touching in this particular video. So may you stay tuned and watch this video from beginning to end.
Politicians, so now put our now they go for job. Now cause confusion, now cause hardship. The body IPOB. One man in the Perunia, when the Atuaja, when the Atuaja, Mazen the Kano, and the Moroma. Nigo so where waiting here, Rota, or up our way to the bank. But I get out back to Bonino, enough is enough. He must be released, and very soon. Whatever the human, I'm going to do the rock. But the image I need, as I want to say, it will get more. Biafra, you will get more. I got black and zero. My job, I don't want to go away. What I got. When I use number, they only got Biafra. But IPOB, and where is the solution? Every no mind. Also, the romance in Nigeria from now till the next 100 years. Nigeria does not love you. I will never love you. You are not a Nigerian. You are a Biafra. They will take it as you. Thank you very much.
Okay, my people, you are highly welcome as I've watched that video and hear this what our brother said in this particular video. And this is a prayer of all Biafra that Nnamdi Kanu will be released with immediate effect, and we're expecting our leader to be out very soon, and I pray so shall it be. Okay, my people, now so we see for today. Okay, more we'll see you now for the next update. Don't forget to subscribe and follow this page as well. Thanks for watching.